Hi friends, we are at St. Regis Mumbai to try their Sunday brunch buffet. और ये मैं काफी टाइम पहले गई थी. मेरा फैमिली पेशाब कर रहा है. And I'm waiting at the waiting lounge, guys. You need to know it's going to be a reaction video. Yeah, that's me reacting. Let's start with desserts. Guys, stay tuned till the end of the video to get a proper review because it's going to shock you. Guys, मैंने desserts पहले start किया क्योंकि dessert का section खराब नहीं होता in the start, so always go with desserts when you start off your buffet. That's a plum tart और उसके अंदर सिर्फ tart crust and there's a plum. There's plums on top like nothing else. That is chocolate. And then that's my lemon tart, and then that's like apple tart because I don't like it and has cinnamon in it. These are bonbons, chocobars, yeah, macaroons, Swiss rolls, Yulons, more bonbons, orange macaroons, some weird thingy, and let's go.
Lemon pie is very delicious. I like it. But it's not a lot of lemon. There's not a lot of lemon in the lemon pie. Nice. So now we're going to try eating all the dessert. Let's just place this nicely here.
Let's try with the raspberry macaron. That was very well cooked, guys. Very well baked. I liked it. It was crisp on the outside and very chewy and soft on the inside. I liked it. Yeah, that was dirty. Yeah. Seems like I like the macaroon. Yeah, macaroon is really nice. Guys, let me tell you the dessert at the Sunday brunch. All the desserts were good, well prepared and well baked. Good job, man, St. Regis. But guys, the food, the main food, you guys need to stay tuned to know what exactly happened with me at St. Regis with the food and how it was such a horrible experience for us towards the end.
Okay, let's try this is some kind of a Yulon.
And they've gotten, I think they've gotten skewers for us. Yeah, that's lamb skewers. I'm going to cover that in the lamb section. Let's try dim sum. We open up a dim sum bowl. Dim sum. Oh, it's empty. Oh shit, it's empty. Yeah, chicken sumai with tutawa tumai. Yeah, pick up the nice pieces. 3 because we're 3 family members. 3 pieces for 3 of us. Guys, the chicken sumai. I'm pretty excited to taste that because yeah, that's fun. Let's go on for the next one. Prawns and chives. I like prawns and chives, and crystal dumplings are my favorite. I love crystal dumplings. I like it. We pick up 3 pieces because we are getting 3 family members, and we're gonna have dim sums. Guys, comment section mein, please comment if you love dim sums because I love dim sums. And that's Sichuan Pepper's dim sums. My brother's hand couldn't reach. Oh, those tongs were hot. Someone left to use tongs instead. So my brother's taking a long stretch to get it. Yeah, long stretch. We didn't take another one. I think mom wouldn't appreciate that. Yeah, the rest of them are veg dim sums, so we didn't go for it. Oh, chicken bao. Steaming hot chicken baos, fresh. Thank you. Yeah. Chef also gave the thumbs up. Let's go in for bao. Exciting. Take 3 baos. Actually, we took 4 because I love baos. But the baos review also going to shock you. Everything's going to shock you guys because I think 5-star brunches is a hoax. Because yeah, man, you need to know what happened later. Anyway, let's go, guys. Let's start tasting. The bows were disgusting. Let me just tell you now, the bows were disgusting. I tasted it and it tasted. I don't even know how to explain the taste. It was just disgusting. Yeah. Now we're going to take the dim sums and I'm going to review all the dim sums for you. And it's going to be fun. Yeah. Loud music in the background. Christmas music was playing. We went during Christmas time. Now I remember. Ah, this is pretty long back, guys. This is pretty long back, yeah. Let's start off. Yeah, I'm saying I don't like the bao. Not delicious. That's my mom in the background who just walked past. Prawns and chives dumpling. Yum, yum, yum. I think I like it. Yeah. Prawn and chive is good. Prawn and chive is good. This was very rubbery, dry, not up to the mark. I didn't know anyone till date who can go wrong with chicken sumai, and let me tell you, St. Regis, you have let me down. You need to take this feedback. If you ever watch this video, take this feedback. If the audience can help me reach St. Regis, get this video viral so St. Regis watches it, and they need to fix their Sunday brunches, man. It was so bad. Like, who can spoil dim sums? Even the street vendor on the road makes better moves. Kebab section, guys. I love kebabs. Let's try. Corn kebabs are my favorite. I love corn kebabs. Then we took chicken kebabs, we took the prawn kebabs, and we also took the lamb skewers. Fun. Yeah, that's fun. And you know what was surprising? They never got my corn skewers to me. I never got to eat crispy corn skewers. And I'm trying the lamb kebab now. And I didn't know it had pesto on top. It tasted full of pesto. I don't like pesto. But the lamb was nice. Not bad. It was baby lamb. The ladies behind us singing very loudly. I go back to the desserts, guys, first, because the dim sum section was a disappointment and the skewer section was a disappointment, and now I'm hurt. I'm going back to desserts because that's the only thing, St. Regis, you've done well. Dessert is the only thing you've done well. Anyway, that's the orange macaroon. It had a lot of artificial orange flavoring, so I didn't like it much. So mom ate it, mom liked it. And we go back for the lemon tart. Lemon tart, I like lemon tart, but it did not have a lot of lemon. Not a lot of lemon. Very disappointing. Overall, guys, the experience was really bad. We made our mother get drunk AF so we could actually recover some of the money we've put in. Oh, then my mom went and got some noodles and like soupy noodles. That's the prawn skewer. And that's a disgusting bao I don't like. And then that's the roast section of like meat treats. That's the chicken skewers. Yeah, disgusting bao again. That's dessert that I might go to later because the food is so bad. I also called for 7-Up, guys. That's my mother's noodles, and she drank the soup because the noodles took so long to come, so the soup got over before. That's another bad review for you, St. Regis. We had to get my mother drunk because we had to make up for all the money we spent because the food was disgusting and we couldn't fill ourselves. Jacob's creep. That's what my mom kept calling it after 3 glasses. Jacob's creep. That's the meat treat section, and this is the chicken roulade, guys. So let's go in for it. We take up like 3 chicken roulades with asparagus. That's like the lamb shank. And let me tell you, as appealing as all of this food looks, that's the pan-seared sea bass, guys. And okay, going back to the topic, as appealing as all of this looks, you're gonna be shocked with the way it tastes. You're gonna be shocked. And one thing people need to understand at buffets is you should not keep roasted meats on heating platters outside because it overcooks the food and dries it up. Ugh. I already gave you a snippet of what it's gonna taste like. Yeah, so we take the sea bass since it's all looking so appealing. We were so excited to eat this, so we took everything into the plate and then we move forward. Yeah, that's the slow roasted pork ribs. My brother loves pork, so he took it. But I'm not a fan of pork, so I don't eat all of this, guys. That's my brother's thing. He likes it. He likes red meat. The red man. That was weird. The chicken roulade, I'm tasting everything. And the lamb shank, I'm going to taste it. And the sea bass. See, guys, the sea bass is so overcooked and dry. It's so rubbery. Yuck. See that? Disgusting. It did not taste good. I'm just going to eat this to show you how bad it tastes. Yeah. Okay, guys, now let's go to canapé section. Fun. And you know what? The lobster roll is in the canapé section. That's so funny. You're going to see the lobster roll pretty soon. Yeah, guys, let's strategize and dive in. So this is the crab meat and pineapple salsa salad. Yeah, my brother liked it. I didn't like it. The crab was stinking and it was imitation crab meat, guys. Imitation crab meat at a 5-star hotel. Can you believe it? St. Regis again did not expect this from you. Yeah. So now let's go in and try the bad food again because I've paid for this shit. So the crab salad. My mother's the only one having Jacob's creep over there. Canapes, now picking up all the canapes. Guys, look, mushroom profiterole. And guess what? 5 stars don't know spellings here. Profit roll. Funny. It's a profit roll, which turned out to be a loss roll in the end. Disgusting. Yeah, I'm asking my brother if he wants a profit roll. Yeah. Then we go ahead. Avocado tart, guys. And you want to see this rotten avocado in the avocado tart. My brother's gonna zoom into it pretty soon. See this, see this, see this rotten avocado. Disgusting. Disgusting. Watch. That's disgusting, guys. At a 5-star hotel having rotten avocado. Yuck. And that's the lobster roll, guys. Where's the lobster? There's no lobster over there. It's like coleslaw. Disgusting. Where's the lobster, man? For 16k, what am I getting? Cabbage. Patta gobi you're gonna give me? Huh? We took 3. And they have crab tacos also. And look at the crab tacos, okay? That's crab tacos, guys, with it. And disgusting. So we go and taste all of this, guys. You're gonna be pretty shocked with my food. Profit roll. Loss roll. See, this is what I'm telling you, guys. It's a loss roll. Disgusting. Avocado tart. Those shells, those tart shells are bought from outside, man. It seems like it's bought from some kirane ki dukaan or something. And then that's like, guys, that's my reaction on the lobster roll. Disgusting. Disgusting. It was so sweet. They put coleslaw in it. It's a coleslaw roll. There's no lobster. And it stinks. It stinks. Everything stinks. Guys, I got you back to the dessert section. See, this is how everyone messes it up. It's a horror. It's a horror. This is why you should always have your dessert in the start. Dive in for the sweet treats because no one can mess that up. Anyway, guys, now we're going for something different. That's the sushi section, and mom also wants some chocolate bars. So we're gonna pick up some chocolate bars for her, and my brother's gonna have some ice cream. So let's take that. So we take all different assortments of ice creams, guys. There's a man, taking cups before us. So we're waiting in the queue, and I'm just recording everything that's happening around. I'm gonna show you guys the desserts again. Yeah, watch it. Fun. Oh, guys, you need to see this young girl dipping her finger in chocolate. Disgusting. She. And then they give this to us, and then they expect us to eat this. And girl, you don't know where she's put her fingers, man. So anyway, let's pick up some barks for mother. I'm gonna take some chocolate barks for mom. Yeah. Looking for a tongue because there's no tongue there. I think that's why people are putting their hands inside because there's nothing to serve you with. Ugh. St. Regis, you really gotta up your game, man. And the day you do, please reach out to me so I can come back and give a good review. Because this is not what I paid for, man. This is not what I paid for. Disgusting. That's a pistachio log. I like pistachios. But it's white chocolate. I'm not a big fan of white chocolate, so we didn't pick it. I was pretty indecisive in that moment. We took another dark chocolate one for mom. Okay, not taking it. Still indecisive. Let's go. Let's go back, guys. Okay. Seems like my brother wants more dessert. Oh, he's digging in for the dirty apple pie, huh? See, this is how everyone messed it up. See, this is how everyone messes food up. This is why I go in the start for dessert. Now you don't know who's put their jhoota hands inside, man. Anyway, yeah, let's go ahead. My brother took out a dirty cut. Oh, look, we are the only people who took a dive into the plum tart. I mean, nobody really wants to be adventurous in India, huh? But we did. We went adventurous for you guys, and let me tell you, I applaud you guys for not being adventurous. I took the avocado pudding, guys, because that's something I did not see when I entered in the start. Oh wow, what a cut of the plum tart, huh? Lovely finishing. Master Chef level cut. Lovely. Lovely. Let's move on. Okay, let's move on. Oh, there's no cheesecake yet, huh? I've taken a plate for my avocado pudding, and that avocado pudding was pretty delicious, guys. I think I'm gonna go for avocado pudding in the future. My brother is always gonna dig in for baklava. Yeah, he's a baklava fan. He likes all Middle Eastern food. Yeah, mango passion fruit cake. Oh, Indian sweets. What do you want Indian sweets at a luxury buffet? And it's not even luxury Indian sweets. Strange. Oh look, the right spelling of profiterole. Strawberry profiterole. Finally, see, I knew St. Regis cannot be that bad. A small glitch from them, huh? Some dirty staff member didn't write it properly. Okay guys, so we took the strawberry profiterole in the right spelling. Let's hope it's not lost. Anyway, we still haven't found cheesecake till now. That's something weird. Looks nice though. Yeah. Oh, look, cheesecake. So small. Cheesecake. Lovely. Pretty small. Biscoff cheesecake. Lovely. Black Forest cake. Entremet.